Welcome back to the channel, guys. I took this wheel and a tire to get it changed, and the guy there was kind of surprised when he took the tire off that the tire had a kind of a foam liner inside of it. It's a polyurethane liner, as you can see inside of this tire. I guess if you have not seen that, you would be kind of surprised. So the guy originally thought that this was kind of a run flat tire. That's what makes it a run flat. It seals the hole if something punctures it. But that's not true. That's not why the foam is there. A lot of your higher end vehicles will use a tire like this with the foam inside of it. Now this foam does not replace the air in the tire. Like I've seen on some of the skid steers and forklift tires, you can get injectable foam to replace the air, and it'll be foam filled. But that's not what this is. This is actually an acoustic type of a foam. This is used to absorb the noise, the road noise, the vibration, so it doesn't travel through the tire, through the suspension of the vehicle, and eventually the passengers can feel it in the cab. So again, this is acoustic foam that's used to cancel the vibrations. Even your Teslas are using these now, since there's no internal combustion engines in those. There's no vibrations from the drivetrain mostly, so you tend to hear a lot of road noise, and this is how Tesla's even dealing with that, to cancel out the road noise and make the cab quieter. Now, all your major tire brands have this. They all got different names for them. Again, this is a Continental tire. Continental calls this a Conti-Silent technology. Dunlop calls it noise shield technology. Even Goodyear has it. They're calling it, I believe, a sound comfort technology. Michelin calls it acoustic technology. And even Pirelli has some of these tires. They call it the PNCS, which is a Pirelli noise canceling system. So they all have them, and it works. Thank you for watching.